I was just gifted this from Amazon and it is perfect. I wanted something that I could throw my blankets in or my dirty laundry in. I haven't decided which I'm gonna put this in, but I love how it just stands. It's not flimsy, it's very sturdy. The quality is fantastic. I even like this little wooden decal here, this little tassel, just to give it a little bit of something. But I have a lot of neutrals in my house and I think this is just gonna look perfect either for my dog toys or, I don't know, blankets or laundry. I haven't figured it out yet, but I love it. I think it's a great solution for hiding things that are always out in normal room areas or your bedroom. That's another idea. I might actually just put like pajama clothes in here because I always feel like our pajamas are always just like laying on the bed or something. So put them away so they're easy to grab out. It is pretty tall. Let's see here. So it comes up to my knees. So that is the height that you can look at. Yeah, I just think it's cute and I love the quality of it. Happy shopping.